Anonymous method in the C sharp. Now let's understand what is anonymous method in the C sharp. So anonymous method is a block of code which does not identify by its name. It means when we are declaring an anonymous method, so anonymous means a method which is not having its name, known as the anonymous method. So anonymous method is like to the regular method, that is having the parameters and the method body. But the difference between the anonymous method and the regular method is here. Regular method having its name, but anonymous method is not having its name. So how we access the anonymous method if it's not having its name? So anonymous method we create using the delegate keyword, and which is also used to instantiate, and which is also used to call that anonymous method over there. Anonymous method is introduced in the C# 2.0. Now let's understand how we can create the anonymous method. So to do it here, make sure first of all you have created a delegate. So if you will see here in this picture, we having a delegate keyword, then we having a del message as a delegate name. So here del message is a delegate. So what I'm doing here, using this del message, I'm just going to create a anonymous method. If you will look at in the next line, I'm just creating here the del message delegate instance, and to this instance I'm just passing a anonymous method. So I said here the anonymous method is not having the method name. So using the delegate keyword, we create the anonymous method. So this is the delegate keyword I'm using here, and this is the anonymous method having the method parameters as message, and it is having the method body also. So and in the method body you can write the code or whatever you are willing to do with this message parameter. So this is just like we have in the regular method, but the difference is here, in place of method name or return type, we having over there the delegate keyword, which is going to use to create the anonymous method.